Right, here we have a cylinder. We're not going to work at the volume, we're going to work at the surface area. For us to be able to do that, we need to see this animation. We need to see how many faces does this cylinder have. So if you look at the animation now, I'll do this nice and slow. You've got the top circle, right? That circle over there, right there. It's got a radius of 5 centimeters. Right, what's this now? You can see the bottom circle. Okay, a cylinder's got a circle at the top, a circle at the bottom, obviously. And this thing that's around the two circles, which makes the cylinder, as you can see, right, I'm opening it up. Right, it's a rectangle. So to work at the total surface area of this cylinder, I need to work at the area of the circles. Both circles are the same. If I work at the area of one, I'll have automatically got the area of the other one. But I need to work at the area of this rectangle. And you know, to work at the area of the rectangle, it's length times width. So first of all, I'll start off by working at the area of the circle. I'm talking about that circle here. Work at the area of one circle, you've automatically got the area of the other circle. Formula for area of a circle is pi r squared. You can use pi as 3.14, or you can use the pi button on the calculator. It's more accurate. Right, the pi button, to activate the pi button, press the shift button and then press this button over here. Let me just show you. You can just about make out the pi over here. So press shift, pi, and then what's the radius? From the center to the edge is 5 centimeters squared. So replace the r with 5 squared. Right, press the SD button. That's the area for the circle, one of the circles. So obviously the other one is going to be the same. One more thing I need is the area of the rectangle. If I just remind you by showing the animation again, what's happening. See that there? Now that's 10 centimeters. So along here, that's 10 centimeters. Right, that's 10 centimeters. But I don't know what this is. I need to know this. So I can do 10 times whatever that is to get the area of the rectangle. So what is that? Right, if you look at the animation very carefully, let me just make this. Right, as I open it up slowly, right, look at that, follow that black circle, goes all the way around. Remember, that is the circumference, and the formula for the circumference is pi d. Pi times diameter. Or if you like, the other formula is, if you don't like that one, you can use 2 pi r, it's the same thing. Use pi d. Remember, two lots of radius makes diameter. You can use that one. And follow the animation. So the black circle there is the circumference, 2 pi r. If I open it up, now look what's happening. Like, the circle has been sort of lifted off the circle, and it lines up perfectly well with the edge of the rectangle. See that? So that length there, that black line that's just unfolded off the circle, is actually 2 pi r, the circumference. That length there is related to the circumference of the circle. So now I'm going to use work out 2 pi r. 2 times pi times, what's the radius? The radius is 5 centimeters. And if you use that one, that would be pi times diameter. The diameter would be 10, double the 5. Anyway, let's use this. To work at the total surface area then, I need to add all 3 numbers. Already got that. If I round that to, I can round it to 1 decimal place. That would be centimeter squared. Remember, not volume, not centimeter cubed, because remember, we're trying to find the area. That's the answer. I notice I've just changed the title just now. I'm going to show you how to find the volume of this cylinder so as not to confuse you with surface area. 2 different things. And this was done in a previous video. This is a prism, and here's the formula. Volume of a prism, any prism, is the cross-sectional area, here it is, multiplied by the length. Right, or if you like, this way here. Right, compare, that's the cross-sectional area times length. Cross-sectional area times length. Cross-sectional area multiplied by length gives you the volume. Cross-section area, well, it's just a circle, isn't it? It's pi r squared. We've already got that here. We've already worked it out. And the length happens to be 10. Multiply these together. Centimeter cubed, because we just worked out volume just now. Right, so make sure you don't confuse the 2 things.